Hello, my dear lovely friends, my beautiful viewers, and my beautiful subscribers. Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Creation. So, dear lovely friends, how are you? Hope you're all fine and doing great. May Allah keep you happy, keep laughing, keep smiling in the same way. Ameen. So my dear lovely friends, this video will be very helpful for you, and today I'm showing our all-new trendy and gorgeous collection of most beautiful, most stylish, most wearing and demanding crochet and hand-knitted beautiful crochet halter neck top and crop top designs. So dear lovely friends, I must suggest to you watch this video till the end. You will find 10 trendy ideas in our videos, so you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. My dear lovely friends, I will try my best to share all new ideas. So you please subscribe, like and share. And thanks for watching my videos from my channel. Dear lovely friends, you can get ideas and take care of yourself. See you soon with new gorgeous collection and new latest trendy and marvelous ideas. So my dear lovely friends and my beautiful viewers, we will be right back. Bye bye.